You are the cause of my euphoria.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be sharing the BTS Jungkook's birthday special nail art. So we all know that day after tomorrow, that is 1st of September, is Jungkook's birthday, and on that occasion I created this nail art. So basically in this nail art you can see the B21 Kookie on my ring finger, Army logo, BTS logo on my index and pinky finger, and on my middle finger I wrote the JK with the heart. And also I made this teeny tiny Jungkook version on my thumb. But the tutorial of this teeny tiny is not included in this video. So if you guys want to learn how you can create this nail art, then keep on watching. But before that, if you're new to my channel, then make sure you hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit the bell right next to it so that you don't miss out any of my future videos. And if you're a BTS Army, then comment down below, and also please share this video with all of your friends and also with your BTS Army friends. So let's get started. So at first, I've applied 2 coats of nude nail polish on my index and pinky finger, 2 coats of silver glitter nail polish on my ring finger and also on my thumb, and 2 coats of purple glitter nail polish on my middle finger. Next, I'm going to be using acrylic pen to do the design, and I will also use gel pens. Now you can just use acrylic instead of gel, but I just wanted to use gel pens. So enjoy the tutorial, and I wish that I could insert some BTS music as a background, but unfortunately I can't because of copyright, so just enjoy with some other music. that's it for today guys. I hope you guys like it, and if so then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also comment down below whether you guys like it or not. And also please share this video with your friends and family so that they can also enjoy it and recreate it. And also comment down below what do you guys want to see next on my channel, and if you have any sorts of suggestions then do let me know in the comments below. I will love to do it. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.